Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City home replacement windows? Well, you're in the right place. Understanding the price of replacement windows in Salt Lake City can be a crucial part of your home improvement journey. In this video, we will walk through important considerations and tips for selecting the best windows for home. First, let's discuss common mistakes. Many homeowners overlook proper window sizing, leading to costly installation errors. To avoid this, always consult with an expert for precision measurements before making a purchase. Another mistake is neglecting to research material selection. From vinyl to wood, the right windows can elevate your home's aesthetics while offering energy efficiency. Understand the trade-offs in maintenance and long-term investment to make an informed choice. And finally, don't rush through the process. Engage with professionals for expert advice and allocate enough time for proper planning and budgeting. This will ensure you choose windows that meet your long-term needs. Did you know that Salt Lake City's unique climate plays a pivotal role in determining the best replacement windows? Choose wisely based on geographic needs for maximum energy efficiency and durability. Countless homeowners have upgraded their windows and seen fascinating transformations in both comfort and value. Let these success stories inspire you to make your own upgrade. Let's start with the big one. What factors affect the price of replacement windows in Salt Lake City? Key components include material choice, window design, and installation aspects. Understanding these can help manage your budget effectively. Another popular question is about discounts. When is the best time to shop for replacement windows? Often, seasonal promotions or manufacturer sales can offer great savings, so being patient pays off. Understanding the price of replacement windows in Salt Lake City can empower your home renovation decisions. Don't hesitate. Call now at 385-300-0903 for a personalized quote and visit windowsforhomes.com/home windows.